What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in almost 2 weeks. Well, I couldn't post last Friday or Thursday because of school, because it was the last 2 days of school. And then I just wasn't in the mood to post at all. And there's no point of me trying to post a video when I'm not in the mood because I'm just not gonna be very happy. And whenever I do make a video, I never get to editing it because I don't want to do it. So I just figured I'd post a video because I gained 4 subscribers since I posted. So I know you guys aren't gonna really like this video because it's not Saber Sim, but I just want to take a break from it, honestly. It's just really boring. I'm just waiting till update. Because I'm honestly just wanting to play other games besides it. And I haven't even played that much Roblox at all the last 2 days because I've been watching Netflix. But yeah, anyway, the point of this video is we're going to be doing multiple things in this video. We're going to be doing a house tour, and then we're going to be doing a speed build. The speed build isn't going to be on my plot, it's going to be on someone else's. Well, it's not really going to be a speed build. I mean, it depends what they want. I'm wanting to do like a home renovation, but man, that house looking good. Anyways, let's get to the house tour. So, originally I wanted to make this kind of look like the hype house, but honestly, this looked nothing like the hype house except the color. So, I just made it. I saw a house, like whenever I go to my friend's house, there's this house that looks like exactly like this. And so I figured I'd make a house off of that. And the reason there's no flowers over here is because I'm lazy to water them and they all died. Same with over there. So just ignore that. I'm saving up to get 2 Nubises to fill in the space. But yeah. So let's get into this. We're just gonna show you briefly what's in these garages, because it's not really that important. Okay. So this is like an outdoor hangout slash eating area, I guess. Same over here. Just to hang out. And by the way, if you see people doing like these things, they're not tables, but you can use tables, but they're flat roofs. But you just change the height. And these little steps, I just used tables, like the tiny tables. I don't know, it's like a side table, I think it's called. So here we have seating areas and stuff. It's like the main entrance. I'm mad because I forgot these flowers upstairs, so I might change that. So the first thing you see is the living room, but we're going to go to the dining room first. So I don't know if I ever toured the inside of the Haunted Mansion, but I made a dining room and this kind of looks like it. So I'm like, you know what, it's gonna look nice, so we're just gonna do this. So this is the dining room, your mom, and this is the kitchen. I mean, it's pretty basic, not gonna lie, but it does the job and it looks decent. Then the living room, I wish I didn't pick the color because it kind of blends in with the wall, and it's the same color as this. And this just connects to the garage. Okay, so this part of the house was like the last part I did because I had no idea what to put here. It's still like a really big and empty space. It's like a big hallway. Not a big fan of this, but this is probably the most detailed movie theater I've ever built because it looks the most like a movie theater. Like the steps and different levels of chairs. The only thing I had a problem with is spacing. Because you have to like walk on the couches, like chairs to get to your chair. If you're not on an aisle seat. See, this one's fine, but the rest. See, I had to like put them like on the very edge to even get. You have to go in first person to even get there if you don't want to step on your chair. And these are a bunch of flat screen TVs. I just colored them black so they'd match the screen so it'd look like a projector screen. And then over here is a very small and boring pool, but it does its purpose well. And I was honestly getting tired of building this house, so and this is connected to the other garage. Okay, now that's the end of the first floor, and now this is the second floor. This place is still empty, but I just put like a living space up here to play like games and stuff. Once again, I used flat roofs to get this elevation of like floors, and then I used the side tables, like the smallest one, to for like an extra step, and then I used pillars because it looked really boring without them. And then this just goes out to the balcony of nothingness. Beautiful. Soon we might have another neighborhood and we can have bigger servers, but who knows? Okay, so this side is like the bigger rooms. There's one bigger room over there, but so I thought of like loft rooms, so I was like, it's not really a loft, but it's like still cool. So yeah. All the rooms, I tried to make the rooms different, but I just can't. I'm so used to making all the walls the same and having the same beds and stuff. It's just not. Especially when it's a big house and you're just tired of it. The outside it wasn't as long as that one house build where it had the mountains surrounding the house, because that thing took a freaking long time. And the house with a bunch of different levels in the front yard. I wish I had those houses, but I deleted them because I needed money for my next build. Because I want to do big builds all the time, but the thing is that I only get 200k per hour. No, I get 100k per hour. Because I can't restore my moods. Well, I have a mood station, but I'm just too lazy to do it. Anyways, next house, room, kind of the same thing, but the beds are in different places. This house was way too expensive. Okay, that's really surprising that it's not at 1 million, because it was like at like 600, 700,000 without the cars. No, it wasn't, because the Jeeps are like 200k. Okay, 600k. Like, honestly, it's cheap but expensive at the same time. Each room was like an easy 20k. This one we have a walk-in. Well, it's not really a walk-in, but it's like, I don't know. But it's a good-looking closet. See, I don't know why it glitches, and it has like a black mirror, but this time it doesn't. So, Yeah. This room, if it had plants, and I can't believe I forgot plants, then it would look way better. I was gonna put windows in here, but I don't know. I've never been to someone's house that has a window in their bathroom besides like one person. I mean, the master bedroom in the houses usually have windows in their bathroom, but like kids' bedrooms. Once again, that nice closet. Um, yeah, all the bathrooms are pretty much the same. I forgot what color warm lighting is, so I just went for dark lighting, I guess you can say. So, this is my favorite room because it's cozy. It's the coziest one, and it just looks better, I guess, even though they're legit the same. Um, yeah, expect this video to be like an hour or two long. If not, I'm just gonna post this video separately, and we're just gonna have a bunch of uploads today to cover the week and a half that I didn't post. So yeah, these are all the bedrooms. I just have a house build idea. So what if we did all the bedrooms on the first floor and the kitchen and living room and all the other stuff is on the top floor? Personally, I've never seen a house build where the kitchen is on the second floor. But I know in real life there's houses like that. And I need to start using the basement game pass. I never use it. I've never built a basement with my house ever, unless it was like a secret passageway to get through the house. But I've never used it. But yeah, this was my house. I don't know if I'm gonna post this separate, but yeah, this is my new house, and I'm gonna try and keep it as long as possible because I'm tired of building bigger houses. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys if this is posted separately in the next video. But if it's not, then I'll see you guys soon, I guess. I don't know. Sorry, I can't